In general, misinformation is protected speech, though there's certainly some circumstances where false information is not safeguarded by the First Amendment. In 1964, in New York Times versus Sullivan, the Supreme Court said that false speech needs protection of the First Amendment so there's the breathing space for freedom of expression to thrive. An important case here was about a decade ago, United States versus Alvarez. It involved a federal statute, the Stolen Valor Act, that made it a federal crime for a person to falsely claim to have received military honors or decorations. The Supreme Court declared this unconstitutional. In an opinion by Justice Kennedy, the court said that false information is generally protected by the First Amendment. But I emphasize the word generally. There are certainly instances where false information, misinformation, wouldn't be protected by the First Amendment. False and deceptive advertising, for example, is not protected by the First Amendment. It can be punished. Lying in court under oath, perjury, is not protected. Lying to a police officer is a separate federal crime. So in general, false information, misinformation is protected, but there's exceptions. And the reason, of course, is we're wary of letting anyone decide what's true and what's false. We'd much rather let that play out in the marketplace of ideas.